umuzi nje lesifuna ukwakha uqiniswa ngabantu ngoba abantu uyakwazi ukubenza asibenze. Makwanda imali abantu bayanda nabo qedile. Bona impela kumsebenzi.
Cha makuthiwa uyakufuna ukutshalile basho uSamke. uSamke for me uSamke bekafuna uthandokazi. She's just young, bekangajola vele nentanga yakhe yena wachuza ukuyojola noMusa. Umuntu oseka nama-damage amaningi wabafazi bakhe abaningi. And now the only thing uMusa afuna ukuyenza is to prove to the wives ukuthi yena usakhona ukuzalisa. Because for me, I think abafazi labayana sebaya prevent uMangwabe nabo Mayeni and also uMaxele. I don't think basafuna ukuthola abanye abantwana. Ba-preventa. And then uMakhumaleni uzamile vele nge-IVF but then akafunanga uMusa. But for uMakhwela is just umuntu oze lapha kuleya khaya to prove i-point to labafazi ukuthi uMseleku usakhona ukuzalisa. That's why uMseleku elokhu empressurize kaso. I feel like sometimes akamthandi. She's just there ukuthi azowandisa umndeni and uMakhwela is just in love. In love, uMseleku yena ufuna ukuzipruvele lakhe point. And we all understand ukuthi mhlambe i-vision yakhe was to have vele 20 kids, i-vision yakhe noMaxele. But also, I feel like seka-greedy manje. Hayi cha shem. So greediness already nabo abantwana sokugugile nabo abafazi abakuthandayo uyahamba uyolanda umntana abantu nje ongamthandi ufuna nje ukuprove point kubafazi bakho. Cha uMakhwela ngiyamzwela mina. Ngiyamzwela shem. Ngiyamzwela. Mbonile mabamtshela ukuthi hayi sokumele wenze enye ingane. Wadineka nje. Wadineka because already she went through pregnancy alone. Ahamba ama-scans nani. uMusa was like, no, I don't do those things. Angizenzi lezo. He didn't even come to i-baby shower kaMakhwela. Azange eze ku-baby photo shoot. Yonke into he was like, amadoda amaZulu awayenzi leyo nto leyo. And uSamke guys as azikhulumele yena ukuthi anything past 2 years we gonna stretch it. So ukuthi uyathandwa akathandwa kankeni ndawo. Ode yena usazozala ke. Usazozala. Let's hope as guys uMusa ugcine emzwela shem amthande ngempela. This is painful for Samke guys. This is painful. What are your thoughts on this? And I hope nje kulama episode ayi-2 nje uMusa uyogcine by fire by force uyogcine nje athathile uSamke ayom-introduce kubafazi. Ukuthi naye I feel welcomed. Like uSamke ekiba zange bahambe bayoceda izinto. Guys kuningi ngokwaSamke shem. And then amasakathe my man sekaqedile. Sekaqedile in love gone girl. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.